G'day! In today's video I've got the GALAX RTX 3070 SG, which is a 4-fan graphics card. And what I want to do, I want to replace the thermal paste on this as it is getting a few years into it. I'll unplug the 4th fan. Not sure, I haven't quite figured out how this one here comes off, whether or not I need to push or pull. Right. So I'm just going to leave that because I don't think I need to do too much with that just yet. I will start with the screws that I can see, just using a small Phillips head screwdriver. We'll grab somewhere to put the screws for now. I'm hoping that this will just separate from one another once we get there. There we go. I've got 2 more behind this fan. So far all the screws that I've taken out are of the same length. And next up, GPU core. There we go. And up. Now I should be able to hopefully, a couple more screws. This fan will need to come off. Question is, how? Push it over, and then, push it over, then pull back. There we go. That was a lot easier than I expected. Push, then pull these 2 tabs back, and it should flip out. Bingo. Now we have 2 more screws here, holding, hopefully not the back bracket on, but holding the front of this on. Whoa, there we go. Look at that. That came off a lot easier than I thought. Thermal pads look good. Nice and tacky and oily, which is precisely how I'd rather them to be. Now from here, I should just be able to put some isopropyl alcohol. You might be able to use just baby wipes, alcohol wipes, possibly even Windex on a cloth. All those things should do a similar task. Down to my last few tissues. Oh no. That's clean. Will complement the factory application of this thermal paste. None of it is going on the ICs down here. It's all just staying precisely on the die. If I can replicate that, I'll be very happy. Okay. Okay. That one more time. Bingo. I'm just using some GD 900. Excuse my ringtone of Daft Punk playing. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that, but no matter how it is on the internet, It's always too much, too little, too wrong, too. There we go. Now from here, tend to fold it back over and then line up the screw holes. And push down. And from there, put these ones back in. Nope, they might go back in. Now the two at the back did seem to be longer screws. I can get this one to start. No. No, it's being very picky. What's going on? These are the longer screws. Longer screws go into the PCB. The ones that have a bit of a angle on the head of the screw go into the very back of the screw. So no, they aren't all the same. Go on. No. I think you want to start. Yep, that's happy going in there now. Screw here. Shuffle this one to the correct spot from here. So in the end, these four are the same, and these four are the same, and these four are the same. Surprisingly, there's no spring on this. What they would have, this must be purely the tension and all the other mounting points holding it in. Are they not spring loaded? Tighten up. Plug the fan back in down here, flip it over, push this end in first, one fan attached. And that is some thermal paste replaced on the GALAX 3070 SG. Hope that helps, and I'll see you later. Bye.